What's up? This is my 2018 Honda Grom project. So we just got done finishing up the Chimera cold air or short ram air intake with a K&N lifetime filter on it. This is from Steady Garage. Got the little ghost decal down here. So go check them out, steadygarage.com. This is about, you can get it for about 140 bucks. Sometimes you can find them on Amazon too, but the Chimera is about the best one you can get that comes with the K&N air intake filter on it. So we just got done resetting the ECU. It's pretty simple. Take this little cap off, your green and blue wire right here. You just connect them as a jumper. And that will walk you through all the ECU stuff. So far, just done some different levers, some adjustable levers, nothing expensive, and different mirrors on it. And I've also done a 14 tooth sprocket in the front instead of the 15 tooth. I'm about 185 pounds, so having that smaller tooth up front definitely helps with the torque. And it can still do highway speeds. So we're waiting on the exhaust. We have a Dorney Racing dual exhaust that come up here on the back end. It's gonna be a big dual exhaust setup. I've also done the from TST, gotten their kit. This is down here. TST Industries, their fender delete kit. Okay, so that integrates your tail light with your blinkers back here and everything. Okay, so we've done that kit and the flush mount smoked blinkers, smoked tail light. That was a pretty easy setup. You do have to cut a lot of stuff, but this plastic is only a $15 piece of plastic, so it's not like you're cutting anything major on the bike. 15 bucks, you can put it back to stock. So here's what this is. So basically the engine's bone stock. This is what it sounds like with the K&N air intake on it after resetting the ECU. It's got quite the sound to it. Sounds like a pig. The bike's cold, obviously. You can hear it sucking in air. It does sound pretty good. Got quite the throaty little sound to it. So, anyway, this is my 2018 Honda Grom. Got 64 miles on it. Thing's brand new. I bought it with 0 miles. I got it over at Hillsboro Motorsports. 0 miles right off the truck. So, keep an eye on the YouTube channel. This is going to be my project for a while. We plan on doing probably a 143 big bore kit on it and a different cam. But first we got to get the ECU module to control the fuel to air ratio, all that. So it's all a long process, an expensive one, but it's going to be a fun hobby. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions on how to install this air intake, there's lots of videos on YouTube. It's really quite simple though. Your breather hose, you have to reroute it. It will be on the other side. There's 2 top bolts up here where those holes are to get the stock air intake box off, which is that big ugly mess right there. And it's quite the weight difference too. This is probably 2 or 3 pounds, and this little tube weighs nothing. Okay, so you're just gonna unbolt those 2 bolts and loosen all your clamps. It pops off really easy. This slides on really easy. Clamp it down. Put your tube back on. You do have a temperature sensor right here, your intake temperature sensor right here. And it remounts right into the tube from Chimera. It's pretty self-explanatory. When you open the box and you look at what's here, you'll be able to figure it out. And then I reset the ECU. It's something new on the bike, so it doesn't hurt. Anyways, there you go. 2018 Honda Grom project bike.